Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. I'm your maths teacher and today I'm start my lecture with a new topic of the chapter number 1, that is number, and the lecture related to numbers up to 999, that is 999, less than and greater than. ठीक है. In our today class we discuss about the number that is greater than or that is less than. All right, you have seen the two sign in this page. You have seen the two sign on this page. This one is sign that is used for greater, and this sign that is used for smaller. All right, you can see two types of sign on this page. So we start with the page number 17. All of you open book page number 17 and focus on it. First I discuss the example, that is hungry crocodile has found two big numbers. He want to eat the greater one, but which number is greater? If you can see, there is example of crocodile who is hungry and want to eat more greater than number. All right, you can see there is no two number represent here. The first is 249 and the second is 348. All right, how you compare the number is greater or lesser? All right, if you compare, you know that is a 3-digit number, and that 3-digit number, the first place value is related to 100, the second place value is for tens, and the last is for ones. So you can compare first 100. You can see the first number is related to 200, and you can see the second number is related to 300. You can make a comparison from here. If you can see, the 300 is greater than 200. All right, first crocodile checks the 100 columns. The top number has 2 in the 100 columns. The bottom number has 300s in columns. So 300 is greater than 200. So crocodile eat the number of 348. So 249 is less than 348. I hope you all understand the example with the crocodile. All right, you can see question 1 on page number 17. The question is write greater than or smaller than in the empty boxes. All right, if you can do with the example of crocodile, you can see part A, that is 351. There is empty box and 548. Okay, you can make a relationship like this. You can write 548 and you can write 351. First you make a comparison for 100. You can see this is a place value for 100, for tens and for ones. You make a comparison. You can see 500 is greater than 300. So you can make a comparison of 351 is smaller than 548. So crocodile eat the greatest number, that is 548. So you can make a sign of smaller at this box. All right. Actually I already discussed about this sign, that the sign which is used for greater, that is the right hand side, which we denote like this, and the sign which is used for smaller, that is the left hand side, we denote like this. If you make a comparison, you also use your right and left hand. For greater quantity you also use your right hand to make the sign, and for smaller quantity you also use your left hand to making a sign. All right, if you can see part B, at part B you have the two numbers, that is 219 and 120. All right, 219 and 120. You have to make a comparison, so you write these numbers like this, 219 and 120. So you make a comparison first from 100. You can see 200 is more than the 100, so you can make a sign for greater at part B. So you can say 219 is greater than 120. All right, similarly you can attempt the all parts by using this same trick. By following this same trick you can attempt all these parts. Now moving towards page number 18. At page number 18 you can see there a heading on page number 18, that is number up to 999 less than greater than. All right, you can see the example. The example is what? Still hungry crocodile finds two more numbers. Both numbers have 5 in the 100 columns. All right, still crocodile hungry feel कर रहा है और उसे 2 more नंबर चाहिए, ठीक है, खाने के लिए, और 100 के दोनों कॉलम में सेम नंबर है, ठीक है. अगर 100 के दोनों कॉलम्स में सेम नंबर आ जाए तो तब आप टेंस के कॉलम को चेक करते हैं. टेंस के कॉलम में आपके पास एक नंबर ग्रेटर है और एक लेसर है, ठीक है. द टॉप नंबर हैज़ 6 in the tens and the bottom number has 4 in the tens. So we can say 6 is greater than 4. So hungry crocodile eat the number, that is 562. All right, so 562 is greater than 543. So you can clearly see and make a comparison that if you have the same quantity on the 100 place value, then you make a comparison for the value of tens. So if you can see the value for tens, so you can clearly see the 6 tens is greater than 4 tens, because 6 is greater than 40. So you can make a comparison about this number, that is 562 is greater than 543. So hungry crocodile eat the greater number, that is 562. So question number 2 is filling the symbol that is smaller than or greater than. At part A you can see 652 is greater or smaller 631. You can see 6 on the same 100 digit, so you can see tens digit. So you can see tens place value, you can see 5 tens is greater than 3 tens. So you can write 652 is greater than 631. If you can see on part B, you can see 848 empty box like 851. 848 is what? 851. 848 is smaller or 848 is greater. So you can make a comparison. You can see 800 have the similar place value for the 100. So you can make a comparison for the tens place value. You can see 4 tens is less than 5 ones. So you can write 848 is smaller than 851. Alright, similarly you can attempt all these parts by using these tricks. Alright, you can move on page number 19. At page number 19 you can see the topic related to number up to 999 less than greater than. You can see the example, that is hungry crocodile has found 2 more numbers. Both numbers have 3 in the 100 column and both have 8 in the tens column. Therefore crocodile next check the ones column. ऑलराइट, इस एग्जांपल को देखते हुए आपको ये शो होता है कि अगर आपके पास 100 और टेंस में सिमिलर नंबर आ जाएं तो फिर आप लास्ट पे नंबर ही आपके पास 3 डिजिट्स है तो कंपैरिजन करने के लिए क्या रह जाता है, वंस रह जाता है. ठीक है, तो फिर आप क्या करते हैं, वंस के दरमियान में कंपैरिजन करते हैं. अगर आप क्रोकोडाइल की एग्जांपल को देखें तो यहाँ पे 9 वंस जो है ग्रेटर है 6 वंस से. ऑलराइट, द टॉप नंबर हैज़ द 6 इन द 1 and the bottom number has the 9 in the 1. So 9 is greater than 6, so 386 is less than 389. So crocodile eat 389 number. Alright, so if you can attempt question number 3, you can see filling this symbol lesser than or smaller than or greater than. So if you can see there part A is 496 492. So if you can make a comparison, you can see 100 place value is same, that is 400. 9 place value is same, that the 90. So you make a comparison for ones. Make a comparison for ones is you have the 2 numbers, that is 6 and that is 2. Alright, you make a comparison for the place value of 6 and 2. All of you know 6 is greater than 2, so the number 496 is greater than 492. So if you can see part B, at part B you can see 673 is 678, which is greater than or lesser than. So 6 is the same number as a 100 place value, 7 is the same number at the tens place value. So you can make a comparison between 3 and 8. All of you know 8 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller than 8. So you can write 673 is smaller than 678. By using this method and by using this comparison method, all of you attempt these all parts like A to O. Okay, grade 2, I hope all of you clear the concept for the greater than and lesser than for the 3-digit numbers. At 3-digit numbers in today's lecture we have make a comparison for 100 place value. If the 100 place value is same, we have to make a comparison for tens place value, and if the tens place value is same, we make a comparison for ones. Alright, these all 3 things that we discuss in lecture. I hope you people have to clear these concepts. So in our next lecture we have to proceed with the new topic. So goodbye to everyone.